Just in. Green Mountain Grill, Davey Crockett, finally in stock here at the Allison's Barbecue Supply and Pro Shop. ERON, Grayson, the grill. Check this out. Look how strong this boy is here. Look how strong this guy is. The unpacking of the Green Mountain Grill, Davey Crockett. Now, ERON, do you think this would be called portable, guys?
Oh, yeah. The legs turn into a little handle. You throw it in the back of your car.
Okay.
I'd take it to like a football game or something.
All right.
Make some burgers.
Tailgater?
Yeah.
Burgers? Hot dogs? Now, is that a Wi-Fi connection I see on the front?
Oh yeah. It's got Wi-Fi on there. It's nice to put your little probe.
Okay. All right. ERON, you're just getting the thumbs up approval from me. That's important here at midnight at the Allison's Barbecue Supply. Is it going to stand or is it going to fall off that table? Is it going to stay up there? Okay. All right, just making sure.
Then we'll open it up. Got all our goodies in there.
Just packed like the others, right?
Yep.
The fish you use. Get in there, Grayson. Get in there, Grayson. Get everything unpacked. Grayson and ERON, of course, are the world record holders of putting together a Daniel Boone Prime Plus Wi-Fi smoker. 9 minutes, 56 seconds from start to finish.
I think if you really tried, you could get this one in under a minute.
I think so. Well, we may try that sometime. We may try that. The gauntlet's been thrown down. How fast can you? Grayson coming up. Like a little chipmunk. Let's see.
Yeah, and right in here you got your same heat shield and everything, like the big one.
Oh, okay.
And you can still move that a little bit.
Okay.
So you can move your.
Open, pick that up. Pick it up so it's looking there a minute. It looks like I have not seen these inside the Davey Crockett yet. These are all brand new to us.
It looks the exact same.
Wow.
Got your little.
It looks like it's almost the same size, doesn't it?
Oh yeah. I'm sure this could.
This thing might get up to the sun.
Just get some of that styrofoam.
The Green Mountain Grill, Davey Crockett, finally in stock at the Allison's Barbecue Supply and Pro Shop. That heat shield goes in just like the other one?
Yep. Just sits right in there.
On a little angle, there's your thermocouple. Inside the pellet hopper, I think the pellet hopper holds 9 pounds. Whoa! Oh, that felt good. That felt good, didn't it? It's good to impress our viewers. As we all go for our workman's compensation claim. Hope none of those television attorneys saw this.
I think they said a 9-pound hopper there. So.
Yeah, 9 pounds. That's good. Look at the chimney he's got that the other does.
Oh yeah.
Let's get that. Slide that thing back and forth real quick.
Yeah, just cover it like that. Open it up.
Yeah, a little temperature control on this one. I like that. I like that. And that's all there is to putting this one together. The tool, yeah. ERON and Grayson Professional Easy battery-powered drill tools. Just put on backwards as well, right? Okay. Yeah. That is the perfect size for tailgating, for the beach, picnic. Now, Grayson, you're a woman's man. You can probably take that with one of your chicks on a picnic, couldn't you? Wait till Grayson starts driving. this thing.
Then hang up your bucket, and just like that. That's all.
And that's it? It's done?
Yep, it's done.
Literally. How long did that take? 5 minutes and 18 seconds. Oh my gosh. And we weren't even in a hurry.
Yeah, you got this to plug into your car battery.
Yep, got a car battery connect. What else you got there, Grayson? Got the 12 volt. This one is 12 volt as well. I like that. Makes it totally portable. There's your antenna for the, we'll put that in, and there's your pellet hopper for the farmers. There you go, guys. Stand in front of that. A little closer, Grayson. It's not that wide of an angle. There you go.
There we go.
Aaron, Grayson, expert grill assemblers, and the Green Mountain Grill, Davey Crockett. All three of these things are in stock. The Owl's Nest Barbecue Supply and Pro Shop here in Noodle. Good job. Good job.